Hi guys, welcome to my another video. So, this is my first demo here at Charlotte County Fall Fair 2024. It's a traditional event this season in fall here at Ganong Park, St. Stephen, New Brunswick, Canada. I had everything prepared for this, making sure I had a lot of inventory because I'm pretty sure what they need, and pretty much sold all the small inventories. The event was amazing, with many locals in this community and other places coming to see everything. There are food trucks, animals, games for the family. Everything is all about the fall fair. So far, my demo performance was pretty amazing. I met some people who were amazed by my work, which inspired and appreciated me. I'm hoping and looking forward to the next year. So, see you then in the next vlog, guys. Thank you.